Welcome back to the Windows Club. Does Google Chrome keep asking you where you want to save a download file, even though you have already selected a folder before? If that's happening on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I will show you the working methods to fix the problem. Let's get started. Update Google Chrome. First, make sure Chrome is completely up to date. An outdated version of Chrome can sometimes cause unexpected problems, including issues with downloads. To check for updates, open Google Chrome, click the three dots menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for available updates. If an update is available, Chrome will download and install it automatically. Once the update is installed, click Relaunch. After Chrome restarts, try downloading a file again and check. Check Chrome's download settings. The next thing you should check is Chrome's download configuration. Open Chrome settings. You can do this by clicking the three dots menu and selecting Settings. Then, click on the hamburger menu for settings to expand it. Select Downloads. Here, you will find an option called Ask where to save each file before downloading. If this option is enabled, Chrome will ask you to choose a location every time you download a file. So if you want Chrome to automatically use the same download folder, turn this option off. You can also check the location setting and make sure your preferred download folder is selected. Now download another file and see if Chrome remembers the location. Disable Chrome extensions. Sometimes a Chrome extension can interfere with the browser's download behavior. To find out if an extension is causing the problem, temporarily disable all your extensions. Click the three dots, go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Now turn off all the installed extensions. After that, try downloading the file. If Chrome now remembers the download section, one of your extensions is probably responsible. To identify it, enable the extensions one at a time. After enabling each extension, download a file and check whether the problem comes back. When the issue appears again, the last extension you enabled is likely the culprit. You can then remove the extension and look for an alternative. Create a new Chrome profile. If extensions aren't responsible, the problem could be related to your Chrome profile. To test this, create a new Chrome profile. Click your profile icon in Chrome and choose the option to add a new profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Set up the new profile and then try downloading a file. If Chrome remembers the download location correctly in the new profile, your original Chrome profile may be corrupted or have a configuration problem. You can sign into the new profile with your Google account to sync your bookmarks, browsing history, passwords, and other supported Chrome data. Once you have confirmed that everything works correctly, you can remove the problematic profile. Reset Chrome. Still having the problem? Try resetting Chrome. Open Chrome settings and go to Reset Settings. Then select Restore settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset. Keep in mind that resetting Chrome can disable extensions and clear certain customized settings. So review the changes afterwards. If you are using Chrome with your Google account, make sure your important Chrome data is synced before performing the reset. Once the reset is complete, restart Chrome and test the download again. Uninstall and reinstall Chrome. If none of previous solutions work, the final option is to completely reinstall Google Chrome. First, uninstall Chrome from your Windows PC. After uninstalling it, restart your computer. Then download the latest version of Chrome from Google's official website and install it again. So those are the methods you can try if Google Chrome does not remember the last download path. Let us know which method helped you fix the problem. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.